before we get going, you in there. So I need you to do something for me. First, get out of full screen. All right. You see down there the subscribe. I want you to click that. All right. Good. And then right next to it, there's a bell. You see the options? You press the bell. Press the bell. Okay. Pick all. You got it? Good. All right. Let's go full screen again. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So, what I got today is new part. All right, everybody, welcome back. As you can see, I've got a new component to throw onto the RS. And if you can tell, it is by Redline Tuning, and this is something that is going to be replacing an oversight, I believe, on Ford's behalf when it came to the hood portion of the car. Give me one more. I need something to get these staples out. So as I was saying, I believe the lack of this installation for the Focus RS was a big oversight on Ford's behalf. It's not, it's not something major, but based on the car, like where it stands, I guess you could say in car culture, is an automatic. Slide this out. So, as you can tell, these are hood struts and installation directions. So, ta-da! So what this is a hood strut installation kit. Okay, it's actually really, really nice. Nice little package that it comes in. Redline Tuning even comes with a little sticker decal on there. So these are a direct bolt-on bracket set. These two are going to go onto the hood clasp, and then this part is going to go onto the fenders. This is really, really good because you don't have to destroy anything on the car. You do have to tuck in one piece of wiring on the passenger side and then trim down some of the rubber grommeting on the passenger side as well. That will rub onto the piston portion of the hood strut. But other than that, this is a direct bolt-on. I think a 10 or 13 millimeter socket is, and like these snips are all you're gonna need, and probably about a 10 to 15 minute job and you're good to go. All right, so having this setup installed straight from the factory, I got used to from having the Jetta and some other vehicles of having this setup installed. It definitely makes it much easier when working on the car. Some vehicles, as you know, have it at the very lower edge of the fender and hood, but it's definitely a much cleaner setup. It's definitely a much simpler setup. You don't have to worry about that prop stick being in the way. So with this kit, we can delete that, get it out the way. Whenever you're trying to reach in, you don't have to worry about shifting side to side, going around, or potentially knocking that prop stick out of the way. Because I tell you, when I first got the RS, I honestly expected this kit to be on the car, and I kind of forgot to insert the prop stick, so I let go of the hood and it kind of dropped down on me momentarily. But I caught it. I really, I'm alive, don't worry. But next video, we're installing this. Very simple, 15, maybe 20 minutes max, and you're all set. So, as always, Wrench Daily.